kasama siya sa record, magiging record namin. Manalo ka, panalo ka. So, matalo ka, talo ka. So, and then also, ito yung magiging sagot din dun sa maraming mga question na ganyan. At least may chance pa tayo. Makita natin yung kaya natin dapat. Kaya natin makita.
Sir, yung lakas mo, yung ganun mo, 7 years ago, sa 5 million, are you confident na kaya mo siya mapakita ngayon? Pag-uwi ng 5 years sa September.
Kaya naman, meron tayong well enough time to prepare, work hard, at least
gustong i-settle professionally yung parang pending from many years?
yeah, siguro nabibingi sa yung mga panawagan ng mga fans na naman may rematch, and then also he's always claiming that he is the greatest of all time. Nag-object naman ako doon kasi ang tanong ko naman is in which part, sabi ko, kung kayo ay magaling mag-analyze ng boxing, so my question is like this: in which part that he can claim that he's the only one? Well, he's the only one. He cannot claim that he's the only undefeated fighter, which is maraming nag-retire na undefeated, more than 15. So, ilang 15 boxers ang nag-retire na undefeated. So, ang tanong ko is lang which part of his accomplishment that he can claim that he is the greatest, you know. To be a greatest is not based on your undefeated, because there's only fighters na nag-retire na undefeated. So hindi ko naman, I'm not yung racing my own share, but kagaya pa ko niya, ayaw ko naman ganun, but at least ako, I can claim first 8 different division, which is the hardest accomplishment in boxing. The only one. Oh. First, diba? Yung kumbaga, that's the hardest accomplishment in boxing na ma-achieve. And also, yung blessings ng Panginoon na naging champion ako in 4 different decades. You imagine that? Bihira yung mangyari. First time in history na a fighter became a champion in different four different decades. So 90s, 2000, 2010, 2020. So bihira mangyari. So at least magka-claim ako ng gano'n. So if you're a boxing fan, kung boxing fans ka na talagang nanonood ka at alam mo yung boxing, you're the one who's going to judge.